Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashmika. Welcome to Global Art Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm gonna talk about the top 10 ideas, the top 10 design ideas for making or for designing your print-on-demand t-shirts. I'm gonna specifically talk about the t-shirt design ideas for your Redbubble, for your print-on-demand shop. So if you're interested in then stick till the end of this video guys. Don't forget to hit the smash the like button. I would really appreciate that. And also guys, I have a free 60 plus niches free guide for making your own print-on-demand designs which contain niche ideas and so much more. If you want to download that free guide, the link in the description box below. Also, if you want the free graphics for making your own print-on-demand designs, then also I have a free bundle which you can download. The link of both these things in the description box below. You can check it out for yourself. Okay guys, now there are so many design ideas, and when I always make such kind of videos, I feel so excited about it because I love researching, I love finding new ideas, finding new design ideas and all those things. So talking about the first design idea that I have for you is science fiction based design ideas. Yes, if you are a person who love kind of like a humor or kind of like a jokes or kind of like a funny or certain, then you can create the design ideas or the designs that is related to the science fiction, representing the space fiction, some sort of that, or even having science lab related fiction ideas. There are so much more in which you can do this. Of course, it's quite popular. Many people are hopping onto this particular design, but it's quite trending and it's never ending design idea. You can keep on creating many different types of designs in this particular niche. Now moving on to the second design idea is the gradient based design idea. Now you can create a beautiful gradients that could be in the form of a textures, that could be in the form of the abstract ideas, or that could be in the form of the simple watercolor textures. There is so much more you can do in the gradients. Like you can create the gradients in various different styles and patterns. You can create in the boho styles, contemporary style, the coastal style. You can mix the different types of colors in your gradients, or even you can have a simple plain color as well. This type of design idea works well for the t-shirts, but also for the shower curtains. So this is an evergreen niche idea. You don't see that much of trends in that. You're gonna get sales all throughout the year. Moving on to the third design idea, the book niche is quite popular guys. You can have a different animal holding the books, or you can combine the books with a cartoon, with animated caricatures, or you can combine it with anything. And the book niche is quite popular. The reading or the writing, something that is related to book is popular. This niche is quite popular. You can play around with the ideas. You can create a text-based design with the book niche as well, or either you can have a separate book with an animal or a cartoon or a human holding the book, or kind of like having a funny or a sarcasm type of text-based design as well related to this particular niche. Now moving on to the fourth design idea, that is vintage. You can have a different types of designs around the vintage, like 1971 or 1830s, kind of like representing an year. It can be a text-based design, or it can be any illustrations or any graphic that is kind of like representing the vintage style. It could be an animal which is wearing a different types of colored clothes representing the vintage style, or it could be a human being itself, or it could be a simple coat that having a big coat, the vintage, and then the year, something like since 1930, since 1830, some sort of idea around that. And you can play around with the vintage style of the idea, and vintage is also quite popular at the times. It's an evergreen niche idea. You're gonna get sales all throughout the year. Of course, all these design ideas, you're gonna find much more competition because many people are there right now producing such type of designs. But it's worth targeting it because you can see that the demand is huge. You just need to focus on the keywords that is less competitive, and you're gonna get more sales for this particular thing. Now moving on to the fifth design idea, that is the geometric or the different type of dices design. You can play around around with the geometric. There is so much more you can do in the geometric, and you can have the different kinds of patterns, different kind of textures that giving a different type of the geometric designs. On to the sixth design idea that I have for you is the shapes design. You can have a different kind of the shapes design, like the star shape or the half moon shape or the full moon shape, or you can play around with the different types of shapes ideas. Of course, I have made few of the designs in my shapes ideas as well, like kind of like representing the different shapes or having a certain background in that shape. It could be a watercolor texture in that shape, or it could be just plain yellow color or plain monochromatic color. It could. Moving on to another design idea is the landscapes. You can have different kinds of landscapes or sceneries of the nature representing the designs, and it is just a fun and playful idea. The green niche, you can just play around with the different types of nature niches, like the sometimes it's the snowfall or the kind of like a jungle or a forest, or even kind of like a desert, and you could be having a various different types of nature and sceneries and landscapes. You can even take a pictures of different natural sceneries and can make a design around that as well, or even if you can make a digital artwork around that natural scenery. So it just, now moving on to the another design idea is kind of like a message based design, or designs that is particularly catering for a particular group of people. For example, if you are an introvert or if you're an extrovert, whatever it is, you can create a design, a simple text-based design around introvert people, targeting the introvert people, either just having a sarcasm around it, having a funny joke around it, or either kind of like supporting the introverts or promoting the introverts or motivating a particular sort of the group. This is emotional based design, because we see that people purchase the things out of the emotions or out of the certain feelings. We purchase things just for the sake of the feelings. If we are getting the feeling out of it, we would more likely to purchase that kind of thing. Of course, you don't need to go into targeting the feelings that are quite strong or that are quite hard. You don't need to do that, but a soft emotional feeling can evoke a lot for you guys and can help you get more sales. So if you are promoting or supporting a particular group of the things or particular group of the people, you can create a design around it. For example, if you're supporting the women and you are motivating women to achieve the life of their dreams, like it's also my main goal, so you can also do that. You can create a design around it and having a women, and then having some text based supporting women, promoting women, or something like that. It's an emotional, it's a message based design. People are more likely to buy into it because people buy. Another design idea that I have for you is kind of like having a human body organs and picturizing it with the flowers, with the plants. You can have a heart, like the human heart. Yeah, along with that, you can have some floral design or some kind of like a nature design. So this is a kind of like mixing the two niches together. That is the human body, human organ. Along with that, you are mixing it with the nature or with the floral niche. So this Amazon search for such kind of designs, you're gonna find it that people are combining the human organs with kind of like a beautiful floral or natural scenery, representing the love or representing the love for the nature or for the human body and appreciating it. Another niche idea is music niche. You can have any kind of like musical instrument, a guitar, the violin, or the piano, or even can have different kind of like old musical instruments, and then can have a simple text around that musical instrument, or representing animal playing that musical instrument, or a baby playing it. Like you can have different things related to the music niche, and it's also quite popular and it's an evergreen niche, guys. There are so many design ideas you can find in this particular niche, and people are targeting this kind of like niche, so it's quite trending, quite popular. That's all I have for in this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about it. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.